Welcome to a new video. This is again another addition to my Speeduino tuning guide series. Today we are talking about low idle VE values and maybe you have a very fluctuating AFR under idle and how to exactly fix that. First of all, what is the VE table or why would it be low? Well, first of all, you have your VE table right here, and at idle you should be looking at somewhere between 30 and 40% VE. That would be a good number to look at, and there would be enough room for the enrichment or, for example, for the EGO to correct downwards and upwards, and the idle still be relatively controllable or relatively well controllable, because going down 5 steps on 30 or 40% would only be 12%, for example, but on a VE of 20, going down 5 steps would be 25%. So you will have, or for example, if the EGO correction corrects down 5%, then it will end up at 15. And for example, the fuel delivery between 15 and 16 or 15 and 14 is a lot rougher, or there's a lot more difference between those, and could lead to a relatively jumpy AFR, especially if EGO is correcting up, downwards, and that can lead to a jumpy idle or a oscillating idle also. So what to do if you have low numbers here? You could also have like tens here even, and that might be a problem. First thing you can do is right here in the VE table or the VE table tuning section, that would be multiply VE value by map ratio. Usually the best thing to get a map that makes sense would be to go to fixed here. Fixed basically makes the map look like the actual volumetric efficiency of the engine. So you would have basically around 30 to 40 right here in the idle cells. You would have around 100 on a naturally aspirated car on right here, for example, and it would fall off on a stock cams car, for example, right here. But we're worrying about idle, and it will make those a lot higher if you are having problems before that. If it doesn't, or if it's already set to fix, there's a few other things you can check. First of all would be the injector characteristics. Are your injector opens times set correctly? First of all, how to set them correctly? Well, in my opinion, the easiest way is to put in 1 milliseconds here, regardless of what on your spec sheet is or what your spec sheet says. And then whatever your spec sheet says right here, if for example it's 1.2 milliseconds at 12 volts, that would just be 120, because 1.2 times 1 millisecond is 1.2 milliseconds. So that's pretty easy. And if you have, for example, 1 milliseconds at 14 volts, it's 100 right here. So that's very easy, and that's why I recommend just putting in 1 milliseconds here. If you still have problems, there are two solutions. Either your injectors are relatively low quality, and you have the wrong specs for the injectors. Well, what you could do is you could play around with this open time right here, put it more upwards or downwards. You can try out both ways, but for example, what should happen is if you increase the open time, your idle VE cell values should change, or rather you should have to change them to make the engine run at the same AFR. So either depending on where you are currently, you'll have to adjust that or can adjust that, and in whatever direction makes your VE table have to go up in this area you are having problems in, you go there and that can solve your problem. If that still doesn't solve your problem, and for example in both directions you have to go down with your VE table values, that can also happen, then the specs are actually set very correct and you don't need to change anything here. Then the only thing you can do is, I don't like to do this because it messes with your whole VE table and you'll have to retune your car completely. You can go into injector constants, and you can reduce the rec fuel value. If, for example, you are having only 10s in the idle VE range, you can halve this value. For example, if I'm at 5, I could put in 2.4 or 2.5, and then my whole VE table should be doubled, and all of the values here basically should be multiplied by 2. The problem is, on Speeduino you can only put in a maximum of 255 here. So you have to consider that 255 is the absolute maximum value, so you don't want to go above that, or your engine should not need anything above that. And even if you're close, like if you're at 250 or something, I would not recommend that you run like this, because if the EGO correction needed to go higher, it can't, and therefore it would run out of range, and you could risk running lean if it's really too lean. So that's really an option that is kind of the last resort you'd have to go for, but you can do it if your values here are like really, really bad. But honestly, with the changes here and in the injector characteristics, this normally should not happen. All right, that's it for this video. I hope I could help you with this and enlighten you and fix some issues with that at least. As always, I wish you a nice day and goodbye.